Last Christmas by Wham is up here as a quintessential classic Christmas song, and all we need are 4 chords. When we're looking for Christmas songs as guitarists, it's not often that we come across one that is just guitar based. So today we're going to have a little bit of fun and we're going to do a Travis style picking version of Last Christmas. The chord shapes we'll be using today are C, A minor 7, D minor, and G. As you'll notice, I've used a capo on fret number 2. This is so that it keeps us in the key of the original song. The C chord picking pattern. Thumb on the A string, thumb down to the D string, first finger G string, thumb back up to D string, middle finger to B string, thumb to D string, first finger G string. Now that's our first main pattern. We repeat that 3 times. On the 4th time, or the 4th sequence, we play thumb on the A string, thumb on the D string, first finger on the G string, and then we move on our fretting hand, our middle finger here, to the 2nd fret of the A string, and play the same picking pattern with our picking hand. So we get this as a little join. That walks us down to the A minor 7 chord, which is chord number 2. The A minor 7 plays the exact same picking pattern as the C on the same strings 3 times again. Then we have a similar transition where we play thumb A string, thumb D string, first finger G string, and on our fretting hand we bring our 3rd finger to the 3rd fret of the E string and move our thumb on our picking hand up to the E string, then play the D string and the G string again. That's our walk down to the next chord, which is a D minor. The picking pattern here for the D minor is thumb, D string, thumb, G string, first finger B string, thumb, D string, middle finger E string, thumb, G string, first finger, B string. We play that 3 times and then do the transition to the G. The transition to the G plays thumb, D string, thumb, G string, first finger B string, thumb comes up to the A, then jumps down to the G, then plays the B string with the first finger. When we get to the G chord, it starts with the same style picking pattern and ends slightly differently to give us a melodic transition between sections. picking pattern for the G plays the thumb on the E string, thumb on the D string, first finger G string, thumb back up to the E string, middle finger B string, thumb down to the D string, first finger to the G string. We play this twice. And then we do a thumb on the G and a flick down with the fingers on the rest of the chord. At this point, we add in a little harmony transition between sections. This begins with the first finger, 1st fret B string, and the middle finger, 2nd fret D string. The thumb on the picking hand is going to play the D, and either your first finger or your middle finger will play the D. Now you can actually play it just a straight pick, or if you want to add in a little hammer on before that, they sound lovely. The two fingers come up to play 3rd fret A and 2nd fret G. The thumb and the fingers come up on the picking hands to play the A string for the thumb and the G by the first finger or the middle finger. We then move the middle finger on the fretting hand down to the 2nd fret and take the first finger off, playing the same strings again. This picking pattern will work for the verse and the chorus the whole way through the song. I sometimes embellish the chorus a little bit more and keep the verse a little bit simpler. However, if you do this as a foundational picking pattern, it will work for the entire song. The song structure works as chorus, chorus, verse, chorus, chorus, verse, chorus to end. For another Picking Christmas sing-along song, go to the tutorial here where I covered White Christmas. It's all open chords and set up to be a sing-along version or for you to accompany somebody else. See you next time.